Inwin has some cool chassis options to show off here at CES. Want to build an absolute chungus machine that can hold 4 GPUs? How about the mod-free AI workstation? Maybe you want a 4U chassis for your server that's also compatible with a 360mm AIO. Boom, they got the R400LC. I know you're running low on anime storage, so check out this JBOD unit. Maybe desktop systems are more your thing. The Mod-Free Mini is a super clean looking system with wood paneling. Ooh. And if you're a turbo nerd like me, you can even build your own case with their POC1. Honestly, give me the Chungus.